We're going to our first initial appointment.
Yay!
First initial appointment, Mama?
First appointment.
How do I turn this around?
Any tenderness in your belly at all?
Like if it hurts?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Have you felt baby move yet?
Not really. I don't think so.
Usually around 18 weeks is when you'll feel it. It'll just feel like little flutters, and then you'll start getting bigger flutters. Yeah. Wait, was that gas or was that baby?
Maybe, or unless I thought it was gas when it was baby. We did the ultrasound that said baby on it.
Mm-hmm.
We did see it wiggle. It was wiggling when you checked.
You're about halfway between your pubic bone and your belly button for where your baby's at, so that's pretty normal. And the gel is going to be cold.
It's okay.
Right in the middle. When was your ultrasound?
When?
Mm-hmm.
Was it 8 weeks?
So that's baby. I'm just trying to get it in a better spot so you
Sorry,
guys can hear it.
Sorry. You're throwing it up.
Hey, that's you. You got the giggles.
That's okay. It happens almost every time.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm laughing because I'm like waking up.
You left baby away.
Yeah.
From that one position. There you go. Heart rate's 160. It's a good regular rate and rhythm. And your baby's a swimmer.
Oh, really?
Moving all over the
Moving
place.
along.
But yeah, everything sounds good.
Hey, you want to get the gel off before you put the
Oh,
string in?
yeah. Oh, yeah. So,
Cleaned up a little. That way you don't wear it all day.
yeah.
I'm gonna use this.
Oh, yeah.
shielded.
Yeah. It's smart.
Alright, there you go if you wanna.
Yeah, I accidentally go.
There you go.
How was it?
That was what?
How was our appointment?
What appointment? I was asleep the whole time.
Nah, but pobrecito Luke. Mostly for all the questions they made, I always like look at you and I like wait for you to answer
Then
the
I
question.
said I have no questions because I know everything.
I was like, when was your last? No, like for example, what did she ask me? Have you felt this? Have I?
me, and I'm like, yes, you did. Feel that.
No, it was really, it was nice, very informative. I mean, more something that, a ver, algo that you learned today, that we learned today.
Something I learned
something
today?
New, something that she mentioned.
That you can eat lunch meat if you heat it up. You can still cool it back down as long as you heat it up the first time. That kills the potential bacteria. And so you could still have sandwiches. We just got to heat the meat up first. And then put it back. We can put it back in the fridge, or you can eat it hot.
So that was really good, yeah. Because before I would just eat sandwiches, and then when he told me that I'm not supposed to eat. Okay, somebody called us.
Somebody called and stopped the video.
So when they told us that, you told me that I couldn't eat cold meats, or somebody else told me. I don't remember.
I told you.
Okay, I was like, wah. So I stopped eating it. But today we asked, and she said that I can, as long as I like heat it up, you know, to make sure that anything that is bad dies.
That's cool.
So yeah, that was nice. That was good to hear. But I guess like the highlight for sure is that we keep learning, and I guess, I don't know, making fun of the fact that our baby is a mover.
Yeah, that when
A wiggler.
when the nurse was putting the ultrasound, I guess it's not an ultrasound, it's like something you can hear the baby's heartbeat, I guess. She put the jelly on her tummy and put this thing and it played a sound. And the baby kept moving. She's like, it's a swimmer. It was moving all around her. And she was laughing.
Yeah,
it was funny.
he couldn't. I got like a little laugh attack because I was trying to concentrate so I would stop laughing, but
You'll
it
see
was
the
so
video. I took a
funny.
video.
But yeah, I guess apparently it moves a lot, which is so cute and funny because he did that last time when we
when we
had
got the
ultrasound.
He was wiggling.
I was like,
dancing.
whoa. Well, now we know where he got it from. Yeah, he was wiggling, and the nurse that time she was laughing. She's like, hey, you got a wiggler. And then today, this new nurse, the midwife, she said, you got a swimmer. So
He's a swimmer.
We'll see.
Or she.
Yeah, we don't know yet, but we keep saying he, so we'll just leave it as that for now, and then we'll figure it out later on. You think it's a he? I'm team pink, team girl, and he's team boy.
Nah.
So yeah, yay! Thank you, Memo, for always being so supportive and helping me with writing, taking notes and all that while I just nodded.
I was playing a game on my phone. I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, right. No, he was so good taking notes and asking all the big, good questions. So yeah, glory be to God. Everything's good. Hallelujah.